Today, we're going to talk about organic pest control methods. Pests and diseases can be a major problem in any garden. However, using chemical pesticides can be harmful to both your plants and the environment. One of the best ways to control pests in your garden is through the use of organic methods. One popular method is to use neem oil, a natural pesticide made from the seeds of the neem tree. Neem oil is effective against a wide range of pests and is safe for use on both vegetables and flowers. Another effective organic pest control method is to use garlic oil. Garlic oil can be made by mixing crushed garlic with mineral oil and then spraying it on plants. Garlic oil is effective against a wide range of pests and can also help to prevent fungal diseases. Peppermint oil is another natural pesticide. It's effective against many common garden pests and it also has a strong fragrance that repels pests. It can be mixed with water and sprayed on the leaves of plants. It's safe for use on both vegetables and flowers. A simple and effective pest control method is to use a solution of water and dish soap. This mixture can be sprayed directly on pests and works by suffocating them. By using these organic pest control methods, you can effectively control pests in your garden without harming the environment. Check the link below to start your journey to a beautiful and bountiful garden. Happy gardening!